In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a reservation on Airbnb with our step-by-step guide. Whether you're making changes to your travel plans or just need to modify an existing booking, this will walk you through the simple process of canceling a reservation on the Airbnb platform. Let's dive right in and make sure you get it done smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll want to head over to Airbnb's website on a browser of your choice. Once you're there, you need to ensure that you're logged into your account to access all your bookings and details. If you're not already logged in, locate the login button at the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and enter your user credentials to successfully access your account. Once you're logged in, there will be many options available, but stay focused as we need to navigate directly to where you can manage your reservations. Next, look for the three horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu icon, situated on the upper right side of the page. This small icon can sometimes get overlooked, but it's your gateway to accessing different parts of the Airbnb platform efficiently. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a list of options in a drop-down menu. Among these options, you'll spot trips. Click on trips, and this will bring up a detailed list encompassing all your past and upcoming trips. Here, you can view your entire travel history with Airbnb, which ensures you can double-check which reservation you're planning to cancel. Once you've identified the reservation you wish to cancel, you need to zero in on the reservation details. Within these details, there's an option labeled Cancel Reservation, which might be positioned a bit discreetly under a few other details about your booking. Clicking on Cancel Reservation will take you to the next steps of the process. Airbnb will then prompt you to provide a reason for your cancellation. These reasons can vary, so take a moment to select the one that best describes your situation. It's important to choose accurately as this might be relevant to your eligibility for a refund or any further support requests. Before you finalize the cancellation, Airbnb does something particularly helpful. They will show you the exact refund amount you're eligible to receive, all based on the host's specific cancellation policy. This transparency is crucial, as it allows you to assess the financial implications before you proceed. Finally, when you're ready to complete the process, simply tap or click Cancel Reservation, and you're done. Your reservation has been successfully canceled. Remember, if you have any further questions or issues, Airbnb's Help Center is a fantastic resource. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide makes canceling your reservation a seamless experience.